Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preserving your data and reducing variables. Backup, enable USB debugging, and charge the phone to at least 20% so you don't lose power mid-repair. Once done, perform a soft reset and boot into safe mode to determine if an app causes the lines. Make sure to remove the SIM and SD card, then visually inspect edges and ports for cracks, liquid residue, or debris, because physical damage often equals display faults. You now work methodically inside the chassis. Ground yourself with an ESD strap and use plastic picks, never metal, to pry seams. Remove the back, disconnect battery, then unscrew the midframe to expose the display flex and connector. Carefully reseat the display cable. Tiny misalignment or corrosion creates vertical or horizontal lines. Clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and let them dry. This restores continuity. Once, refinish by reassembling with care. Reconnect battery last, torque screws evenly, and replace any adhesive to maintain pressure and sealing. Power on and install any pending firmware or driver updates, then run built-in diagnostics to confirm pixel and timing issues. If lines persist after reseating and software updates, test with an external display or replace the screen assembly. Persistent patterns often mean panel or GPU failure. One key troubleshooting tip. If the external display is clean, the issue is the phone's panel or its connector. Seek professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.